Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to actually update your NVIDIA drivers. So it's actually quite simple. All you need to do is come to the bottom left here, search bar, type in GeForce Experience. And if you don't have this, you guys are going to want to install GeForce Experience. And then open up GeForce Experience, give it a second. And once it's opened up, you guys want to go to drivers here. It's going to be the second tab. And then click on download if you see the Dream Ready driver. If you don't, you want to check on updates and just give it a second. It will check for the updates. And if nothing pops up, that means you're already fully updated and you don't need to do anything else. If you do get a Game Ready driver though, you can actually just click the download button right here and it's going to start downloading the update for you. So this may take a second because it's a bigger update. So I'll be right back. Alright, and once it's actually done, just downloading the actual drivers, you guys are gonna want to click the Express installation right here, the green one, and just left click that. Click yes when it says you want to allow this app to make changes. Click yes, and it's gonna prepare the install to actually now download it onto your PC. Just give it another second. All right, back. If your screen went black, that's fine. Your graphics driver basically powers your display, so when the download happened, the screen just went black for a little second. That's fine. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial and have a great rest of your day.